What's going on, Macarians? This is a beginner video. If you are a beginner on Mercari, haven't had any experience at all whatsoever, and just getting your feet wet with reselling, this is the video for you. This is the video for you. Let's talk about just analysis of paralysis. I know you guys hear about that a lot, but it is very true, very real. Don't just hang up yourself on the information of the business. Actually, start getting into it. Be a person of action. And if you're watching this video, I know you're a person of action, and I know you're looking to go ahead and make your first $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 with this reselling business. And it's my job, guys, just to help you get there faster. I'm all about progression. I'm all about sticking to the script as far as staying focused and getting that first check or getting that first profit, or helping you all get to that desired goal, whatever that may be. So when I first found out about Mercari, it was just really new to me. I was used to hearing about eBay. I was used to hearing about Amazon, but Mercari was brand new to me. I actually just stumbled upon it and listed some items, and it actually started to sell well. So as I was on my resale path, I was like, okay, let me try to scale this up and actually achieve a higher goal of just nickels and dimes. So I actually ended up paying myself my first 1,000 after just I believe like a couple of months of being on Mercari. Shortly after that, guys, I was like, well, let me see if I can make another 1,000, and I did that, guys. I listed some more items, and I made up to $2,000, and that was within, I'll say, a 6-month span, and on forward from there. I challenged myself to make another 1,000, and I did, guys. I made another 1,000 just, and I don't think I even listed as much as I did when I first started. And I've sold over $3,000 worth of stuff on Mercari, and it's only been like a year and I'll say a year and like 2 months. So guys, in a little under 15 months, I made 3,000 on Mercari. I was selling on other platforms, Amazon and eBay. I did make a nice profit on those platforms as well, but Mercari is my favorite because it only charges 10% of the fee when you sell something. So when you have the listing fee, as far as the weight of the object, it's been changing up over time. They've been adding new options and new slots. So just pay attention to the weight of the item that you're shipping and match it up with the I have to show you on the interface, but with the weight of the item that's showing in the envelope of the selections that you have in the app. And we'll get more into that when I go into the interface. You'll just have to refer back to this video if there's any information that you would like to connect to that video. So with that being said, guys, let's just keep moving forward as far as just talking about how to make more money online in 2020 with Mercari. And as far as my experience with it, I've loved Mercari. So I'll tell you to start today. If we was face to face, had to give you any advice, and you were just stuck at what to do, I'd tell you to just start today. As far as go get you some inventory, and when I say inventory, stop at your yard sales on the weekend. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, there is a app called the Yard Sale app. You can download it today and use it this weekend. On you can see the local yard sales in your area. This app pick up the pinpoints of the yard sales, and you can actually drive to those yard sales. First, you'll like to create a route, and then travel that route as far as the vicinity of the yard sales that's near you. You can decide if you want to go further out because the map shows you a pickup of your whole farm area. So guys, when you're going out here and looking at these items, just look them up. As soon as you pick an item up at a yard sale, as for example, you drive up to a yard sale that you find on the app, you see some people sitting outside, you can let them know what you're doing. You just tell them I'm a reseller, or I like to pick up plushes, or I like to pick up mugs, whatever your niche is, or if you're just a general reseller, just let them know I'm here to pick up a few items. I saw you guys had a yard sale posted, and I like to, look around. And of course, they'll be very inviting because that's what they set the stuff out for, was for you to come and look at everything. So all you have to do is just browse around, and don't be scared to get on your phone. If they ask you what are you doing, you can let them know I'm on the yard sale app, and I'm on my Mercari app, just making sure this is the right item that I was looking for. Joe, you can just have a brief conversation, and usually they go back to whatever conversation they was having, guys. You can check it out in my other videos once you subscribe and like the channel. But moving forward from there, once you get acclimated as far as listing your items onto Mercari on your phone, it's pretty much a repetitive thing. I'm sorry, I stuttered there. It's pretty much a repetitive thing or a pattern thing. So you build the habit going out, finding inventory, listening it on your Mercari app, and then just waiting it out as far as receiving a profit. Once you do sell an item, it'll send you a notification, and it'll show in the app activity that you need to pretty much confirm the shipment of the item that's sold. Sometime when this pop up, you will be having to rate the buyer so you can receive your profit. So I sold 2 items today, and that was from like Q1 of last year, and it's been doing well, guys, for me. So I just want you guys to go ahead and get started today. But once you list everything and pretty much wait it out, you'll receive the profit, rate everyone, and get the listing again, guys, basically. And when I look out and things, I'm just thinking about other things to help you guys out as far as details about the app, or about things that you may need to know as far as regarding shipping, listing, items, anything. So, and I'll be having some Goodwill haul videos. If you like those, guys, and you want me to do more of those, let me know. Please let me know. I'm just trying to give as much content as possible so I can pretty much capitalize on helping as many people as possible in the reseller space when it comes to Mercari. I really want a lot of people to find out about Mercari because I think it'll be better than eBay. Mark my words, the day Mercari surpasses eBay, you can say Mercari Marcus told you so. And yeah, just say I told you so. So let's see, because I think I've covered everything about inventory, as far as if you guys just have zero money and want to make your first 1,000, you can list as many things as possible. And guys, you will have a problem with cash flow. That's what I was forgetting. You will have a problem with cash flow. And cash flow is an experience in itself. All you will have to do is budget out how much you're willing to spend in inventory every week, and make sure you stick to that budget. And that's how you will have almost balanced out cash flow. Because if you spend everything that's coming in on inventory and you're sitting there waiting, then you won't have any money to go get more inventory, which causes another stall, when you should be listing and updating and promoting every day on the app. But we'll get more into that in another video, guys. I just wanted to hit on a few brief points in this video. Thank y'all for watching. Please share the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Anything just to help out. If you received any value, please let me know what I can do to help out more as far as with an understanding of Mercari, shipping, listing, inventory, anything. And I'll be looking to answer all of you guys' questions, no matter what it is. So thank you again. Mercari Marcus over and out.